So this is an interesting tool that allows you to change the values of voltages and current and see how it impacts derived values. So here, for example, if I drag the voltage, you can see that it updates automatically all these are updated automatically. You can change as well these manually, these inputs. So for example, if I change the X here to 20, okay, you can see it's automatically updated. I can change as well things on polar. For example, here, if I change from 82 to 2, okay, you can make these changes and see as well the calculated values right here. Okay, so this is an interesting tool to use and get derived values like admittance, power, impedances, voltages, etc.